Pala dito guys. See, good morning guys. This is Ronnie once again and welcome back to my channel. This is our 4th day here in Japan. Still fighting. Still fighting sa lamig kasi up until now malamig pa rin, and being in a country na may winter at autumn is really surreal for me kasi nga I came from the Philippines and now staying in Malaysia, working and staying in Malaysia. And as you all know, those countries are tropical country. The same with the different countries that I've been to, like Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore. All of them are tropical, and this is the first time that I've experienced autumn and a bit of winter. And grabe, ang sarap pa buhay dito kasi hindi ka pinapawisan, hindi nakakahulas, ganun. Ang chill ng vibe. Plus, sa Japan ko pa siya na-experience, no? Like, we all know na napakagandang country ng Japan. Not just the country, but the food are delicious, the people are nice and very disciplined. So, I'm really thankful to be here. So, enough of that. Enough of the drama. So, my plan today is to visit Tokyo Imperial Palace. So, chill lang tong day na to. Hindi tayo masyadong magmamadali. Actually, it's already 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And ngayon ko pa lang naisipan lumabas. Oh my God, ano to? Is this persimmon? Ngayon ko lang nakita yung fruit na yan. And dito lang din ako nakakita ng orange tree na may prutas, and then yung mga berries na nasa plant pa mismo, hindi pa napipitas. Dito ko lang din siya nakita. And it's nice to see all of those fruits na pipitasin pa lang. So join me guys, let's go and visit Tokyo Imperial Palace, and let's see kung ano pa yung mabivisit natin on our day 4. Let's go.
次は新越谷に停まります。The next station is 新越谷. Please change your for the JR Musashino line.
So going here guys, nag-train lang tayo, and ito yung route na tinahak natin sa train. Yan. I started sa Hikifune Station, and then direct train lang siya. Then nag-change yung Hikifune Station to Oshiage. And then bumaba ako sa Otemachi Station. Ayan. And then from Otemachi Station, just follow the signs going to Marunouchi District Gate to C13A. And if you look at the signs naman, ito siya. Ayan. Dito. It says here, going to Imperial Palace District Gate. So, C1 to 14. So, dito yung way na dadaanan natin dyan. So, let's go guys. Actually guys, if you are to ask me kung mahirap yung train system ng Japan, hindi naman. If you're familiar, if you know how to read, follow directions, it's easy. Madali lang siyang sundan. Kasi may English translation naman, so you can follow. I think guys, malapit na tayo. Nakalabas na tayo ng train station. And then it's just a 600 meters walk from the station. And nakikita ko na from afar yung Tokyo Imperial Palace. Ayun siya guys. Ayun siya. And then dun tayo galing sa station yun. And this is the Palace Hotel Tokyo. Siguro kasi ayan yung name niya. Kasi malapit siya sa Tokyo Imperial Palace. Look at how amazing and beautiful the Genko tree guys. Yung yellow niyan. Ipaparamdam niyo talaga na autumn na. I also wanted to see yung color maroon. Yung color maroon na tree. And if itatabi mo siya dyan, ang ganda. Ayan. Tawid muna tayo. Ay, ang sarap ng araw. Oh my God. Tawid muna tayo. Everyone, all of the pedestrians are now crossing the street. And then, ayun, kita na dito Sa tawiran yung Imperial Palace. Let's go! Yung Otemachi Station, medyo mahirap siya. Medyo nakakaligaw siya. So, be careful and read carefully the directions so that makalabas kayo sa tamang exit way. Oh my God, ang ganda dito. May body of water. Ayan yung body of water. Tapos may mga itek. Ayan. And then, let's see kung makakapasok tayo doon sa loob. Ganda dito. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And see, these trees. Patay na siya. Nalalagas na yung mga leaves niya. Nice. Buti na lang maganda rin yung weather today. Hindi mainit, hindi rin sobrang lamig. So, it's perfect. Let's go inside. See ano makikita natin. This is my first time going here sa Tokyo Imperial Palace. So, it's quite an experience to me or for me as well. Ang sarap ng weather na ganito. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Hindi masakit sa balat yung araw and ang sarap, ang lamig. Oh my gosh. So, I'm just walking, just following the crowd because dinner kami dito nung mga nagbabantay doon sa pedestrian. I think ito yung entrance. So, let's just follow them. I think all of them or most of them are tourists naman. Look at the trees, guys. The colors. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, sana may ganito sa Philippines or sa Malaysia man lang. And plus the weather. Oh my God, ito na yung I think that is, ayan, that is Imperial Palace. Look at that, super beautiful. Later, let's take a picture there. Peace. So, on my back guys, ayan, kita na yung Tokyo Imperial Palace. So, ang gagawin natin, tatawid tayo dito. Ayan, tatawid tayo dyan. And then, I think nandun yung entrance. And pag ganun siguro siya, hanggang makapasok tayo dyan. Kasi walang mga tourists dito eh. Oh, the Genko tree are beautiful. Let's go there ng malapit para mas paano ba to? Mas ma-admire natin yung beauty ng Genko trees. Let's go! Ito guys, malapit na tayo sa entrance and ang daming tao. Oh my God, ang daming taong papunta dun. You know what? I'm so amazed dito. Ayan, dyan sa mga trees na yan. Ano yung parang mga bonsai na trees? Ang ganda niya. And itong isa like that one, nagbabago na siya ng colors. And then ito may announcer, but yung announcement is in Japanese, so hindi ko siya maintindihan. I think he's just directing the people kung saan pupunta. Please. Nagsombrero na ako kasi medyo nakakasilaw na yung araw, pero hindi siya masakit, hindi siya mainit, maaraw lang. Which is good thing para hindi siya masyadong malamig kasi naka-cardigan lang ako. Hindi ako nag-coat ngayon. Iba naman. Malapit na tayo sa entrance. Puro mukha ko na yung nakikita nyo. So, near the gate, guys, you have to line up. Kailangan yung pumila kasi they'll have to check all your belongings to make sure na wala kayong dalang kahina-hinala. You don't have anything na deadly. Ayan. Mabilis lang naman nilang check and then maraming lines. So, mabilis lang yung movement. Let's go. Okay guys, for you to be aware, may dalawang check. Yung first check, they'll check your belongings. And then the second one will be security check. Kakapkapin kayo and scan kayo to make sure na walang nakabulsa. But they're very nice naman. Just make sure wag kayong magdadala ng kahit ano na masama. Malapit na tayo. Ito na. I think wala siyang entrance fee. So, we don't have to pay anything naman. Good thing it's free. Oh, parang maganda sa loob. Ang daming... It's a nature thingy. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung mga notices. Medyo maraming tao ngayon. Ito na yung entrance, guys. The Sakashita-mon Gate. Yan. Dito hindi masyadong maaraw. Hindi siya masyadong maaraw kasi maraming puno. I think may mga place lang. Na allowed yung tourist na puntahan. Kasi as you can see all over the place, meron mga ganyan. Yung mga line and other part are off limits to the public. Ayan, kahit dun sa mga gilid na yan, may mga lines. So, I think yun lang yung mga areas na pwedeng puntahan. And ang linis dito, guys. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi kong mga puno na ang ganda. Ayan, parang mga pine trees yan. But I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Ayun. Yung mga gusto kong puno. Yung mga color red na. I think kung may ginkgo dyan, like, yung ginkgo, yung color yellow na trees, it's perfect na, diba? Kasi, I don't know, it's a different color. Kaya ang ganda-ganda. Let's take a picture there. Guys, ang ganda nitong area na to. Ganito yung pinipicture out ko to my head when I'm thinking of autumn. See the different colors. We have green, we have the ginkgo, the yellow over there, and then this color red, ayan. And for the Imperial Palace, ayan. Ito siya, guys. Kaso, as I said, off limits siya. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng puntahan. We can just see it from afar. But it's nice, ah. Oh my God. Gusto ko ng ganito yung shot kaso may harang. Masyadong malawak yung park. Ayun nga, guys, hindi siya pwedeng pasukin kasi off limit siya, but you can see it from afar naman. And then the color of the like trees, it's beautiful. And napakalinis dito. You know what? Ang tahimik din. Parang hindi nagsasalita yung mga tao. Oh my God. Shit. Ang ganda dito. Ayun, kita naman siya dito eh. Ayun siya. Just take a peek. Ayan. But we're inside lah. Hindi lang talaga siya pwedeng puntahan. Ito yung gusto kong colors ng leaves, guys. Sa autumn. Ang daming tao. Look at that. See? Let's take a video na malapit sa kanya. Para autumn na autumn yung datingan natin. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ganito siya actually. It's nice. It's beautiful. See? Konti na lang kasi nakikita kong gantong trees. You know what, guys? If familiar kayo sa sakura, aside from cherry blossom, meron pang tree dito na may mga sakura flower pa na nagpa-fall off sa trees. And napaka-konti na lang niya. Pero good thing, we're able to witness one. This is the sakura, guys. Paano ko nalaman na sakura siya? Ito, sabi dito. It is, basahin natin, i-zoom natin. Ayan, sabi, this is Fuyu Sakura. Ayan, and look at this one. And then, pag humangin siya, guys, it's falling off the tree. Nalalaglag siya siya. And sabi ko nga, guys, parang itong Imperial Palace, nag-house siya ng different offices, I think. Do not quote me on that. Ayan. Meron naman ditong Chobonimon Gate. So, parang ibang place na naman yan inside or ibang office na naman yan inside. Ganda, ganda. Kaso, it's restricted area. So, bawal pumasok. Inside the Imperial Palace, may parang lake or may body of water. And it's so beautiful. Look at this. I'll show you. See? nagre-reflect yung different colors doon sa lake. It's nice. My advice, guys, if you're planning to go here, make sure to wear comfy shoes. I think it's a never-ending walk tour. And mga restricted yung mga ganitong place, ha. Ito yung papunta dun sa Imperial Palace. And let's just enjoy the nature and the colors of
方内
autumn.
厅提醒您，环之前东一般公开的出红前门，下午3点半。
We're almost at the end of this place, guys, of Tokyo Imperial Palace. Ayun yung end niya. And then punta tayo dun sa maraming yellow na trees. I think doon wala na mga restrictions. So mas malalapitan natin at makakakuha tayo ng magandang picture. Let's go. Now we've already reached the park in front ng exit ng Tokyo Imperial Palace. And ang ganda pala dito, guys. See, nandito pa yung mga magagandang leaves. Actually, yung colors. Nandito pa yung red, yellows, yung genko na tree nandito pa. And ang daming like that. Whew, it's nice. It's beautiful. I wanted to take photos. Hindi ko alam kung anong place to, but let's go. Let's take photo. See? So, ito palang establishment sa harap ng Imperial Palace is the former headquarters of Imperial Guards. So, ito yung headquarters ng mga guards ng Imperial Palace. I just saw it here. This one. Siguro dito dating tumutulay yung mga guards ng Imperial Palace. And ang ganda niya. May pagka-European vibes, touch, yung structure. Ito, ayan yung structure. Look how nice it is. See? This spot looks good. Look at how beautiful the Imperial Guard headquarters, guys. May pagka-touch siya ng European. Ayan, ayan siya. It's so beautiful. And then plus the Genko tree there. See how nice? Now, let's go to the other part of this area, guys. Kasi may garden siya na malaki sa likod. It's just the headquarters. Or, should I say, old headquarters. Ito kasi yung buong park. Ayan. Maganda siya. Maraming makikitang trees. Nature. Something like that. Let's go. If you're planning to go directly dito sa place na to, sa garden na to, I think you can search for this one. Ayan. Chidori Gafuchi Walking Path. Ayan siya. Ayan, ayan. So, this is the whole area. This is Kudanzaka Park. May train station din, so madali siyang puntahan. The National Museum of Modern Art, Tokyo. Let's go there later. Ayan siya. And Kitanomori Garden. They also have Science Museum. I think this area is so humongous and marami tayong pwedeng puntahan. Let's just explore the area. I found a beautiful street, guys, dito sa park, and konti lang yung tao. Let's take a picture. Look at this, guys. See how beautiful this street, guys. Kita lahat ng colors ng autumn. So this is the park, guys. All of the people are chilling here, and ang chill lang vibes actually, and ang konti lang ng tao. And may nakita akong magandang spot. This one. It's actually a tree. I think Genko tree siya na malago pa. Let's sit and take a picture. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Super ganda niya. Let's go. You know what guys, super nice sa park na to kasi number one, it's inside Tokyo. Plus, if you're looking for a chill spot, yung hindi masyadong touristy, perfect place to. I think you can eat here. Just make sure na clean as you go. It's beautiful. Not that. And then, ito yung back. Ito yung back ko. Meron dyang lake. Ayan, may nang mga nagpipiknik. And then, look at these colors. These colors of autumn are really great. Oh my god. Peaceful talaga dito guys. Wala na akong masabi. Let's try to go doon sa ilalim ng tree. See anong difference. Kasi yung color niya, it's really beautiful. Nice. Di ba ang ganda? Ayan. Nasa ilalim ako nung Genko tree. Pag mali ako, sorry na lang kung anong tawag sa kanya. Ano ko perfect. But that is the tree. Nice. Ang ganda, super. Gandang color. Alam nyo guys, may mga kids na naglalaro ng mga dried leaves dito. I don't know if you watch it or saw it somewhere in a movie. Kung saan hinahagis nila yung mga dried leaves up in the air. I think I wanna do that. Kailangan ko lang ng lakas ng loob. Join me. Dito sa area na to guys, yung mga red naman na trees. Ayan. Mga red na trees yan. And then meron pa rin ditong yellow. Diba? Nagko-contrast sila. So it's beautiful. And then on my back, ganun din siya. Nagko-contrast. We have red here, green, and then meron pa dong yellow. Diba? So beautiful. And we are about to finish this park. And may nakita kong zen dito. May water. Para siyang batis. Ayan. Naririnig niyo na ba? Para siyang batis effect. Overflowing yung water. Sa may side siya banda nung park. Di ba may lake? Ito, I don't know if it's connected. Pero yan. It's so peaceful. Look at the batis guys. I don't know anong tawag dito ah. Ayan siya. Let me zoom so that you have better view. There. Ayun siya, overflowing hanggang doon. And then doon. See? So beautiful. If you have time, if you wanted to relax, I would highly suggest you visit this place, guys. It's so relaxing. Just have a picnic here. Bring your own food. Clean as you go. You will enjoy it here. Pag wala kayong itinerary for the day and you just wanted to rest your feet kasi I have to admit super tiring yung paglalakad. Grabe. And it's beautiful. Pakaganda. I would say, for now, autumn na would be my favorite season. So we're done with the Tokyo Imperial Palace, guys. And now, I'm at Shinjuku area na to. And I'd like to show you how lively the place or Shinjuku is at night. Napakadaming tao ngayon. And this is like a Shibuya crossing pero Shinjuku version. Ayan. Look at the lights. Napakadaming tao, guys. Ayan. I'm currently crossing at the street and para siyang Shibuya yung feeling kasi napakadaming tao. See? So we have there the Don Quixote. Ayan. I'm actually looking for the place of Godzilla kasi if you all know, ito yung famous dito, but I think I already saw it. I'll show you guys. There, I hope you can see it. It's Hotel Gracery, right? Beside it, let me zoom. Beside it is the head of Godzilla. There. Ayan. So, most of the tourists tends to visit here and ang daming tao. Let's go near dun sa head ni Godzilla. Ito, nag-house to ng different food shops, restaurants, and then meron din mga tax-free shops if you wanted to buy pasalubong. Also, marami ba? Fashion. GU, Uniqlo, mga ABC Mart, marami rin dito, guys. And izakaya, if you wanted to eat a lot, there's a lot of option here. And, go! Ayun na siya, guys. Ayun yung head ni Godzilla. See? And ayan yung mga store. Ayan, mga shops, kainan, ganyan. Wait, let me just take a video of the head. Godzilla. Good thing itong dinadaanan ko, walang dumadaan na sasakyan. So you can freely walk here. And if I'm not mistaken, during weekends, meron silang kalsada na sinasara so that people going here or the tourists can freely walk around. Ayan. See, super lively. Ito mga inuman to. Inuman place to. Parang may porno something dito. I'm not sure what is that. Siguro pero inuman din. Parang mga bars sa Philippines. Ganyan. Ayan. Yun. Meron din dito ano. Gachapon or gachipon. Yung mga to, yung mga girls na yan. Ayan yung mga nag-aayap para pumunta doon sa inuman na place. So, same lang din sa Philippines. If you wanted to, or if you're going to a bar, di ba meron naman mga nag-entertain that will walk you papunta doon sa mga bar places nila.